Hello everyone, this video will go over the basic steps on how to use the new video CMS application. Let's get started by logging into the application using SSO. To log in using SSO, you just need to click on this button and it should redirect you to either the Microsoft login page if you're not logged in, and if you're logged in, it will redirect you automatically to the application page as it did for me just now. So since my role in this application is that of a video admin user, I am able to see all the various options over here like video, show, users, as well as edit and delete options. If some of these options are not available for you, it is possible because by default you will be logged in as a viewer user with limited access. To elevate your role to either uploader or a video admin, reach out to Milan or Webhub, who will be able to update your user role. Once you do that, you will be able to access all the different capabilities of the application as per your role. Okay, so before we move ahead, let's quickly take a look at the users module, because this is how the roles and active deactive status of various users will work. So as you can see, I am an administrator. We have some viewers here as well. If I want to elevate their role, I just need to go over here, select the appropriate role, click on save, and if I want to deactivate them, I just need to toggle this and click on save. I can also filter users using their role status or just do a search for them. Okay. So that's it for the users management module. Now let's move on to the shows management module, which is where you can see a list of all the shows that exist in the system, search for them, as well as add shows. To add a show, you just click over here, add the title, synopsis, description, select the anchors. We have 3 available in the system as of now. Choose the appropriate graphics. You also have the option of adding a trailer over here. Then you just click on save. Similarly, to edit a show that already exists, you can just go to that show. You will be able to edit the details of that show. Okay. You can change the graphics over here as well. Okay. This module also offers you the capability to set the show position on the presentation layer, which is our public website firstpost.com. So if you click over here, you will be able to drag and drop the different shows and reorder them. To save your selection, you just click on save changes and it will work. Yeah. Here you will also see something called the common show, which is where you can upload your videos that do not belong to any of these shows specifically. So you can think of this as a general or common show which will have other videos which do not fall into any of these categories. Clicking on the view content option over here will take you to a list of all the videos which belong to that show. Okay, so as you can see here, that particular show has been selected. This is the videos page and we'll come to it in a bit. We have covered view, edit. Okay, now let me take you to the add content panel. Suppose I want to upload a video to this show called test prod instance. I will click on add content over here, which will take me to a screen where I can create new episodes and upload different types of videos to it. Okay. So you can create a new episode by clicking on this button. You need to choose the date and time of the air date of that episode. Okay, so suppose the episode that I'm trying to create was aired on 5th of February at 9 p.m. 9:30 p.m. So I'll just select 5th February 9:30 p.m. and the show name will be generated accordingly. Show episode name will be generated accordingly. This is the date and this is the time appended with the show name. So when I click on create episode, this episode is created, and here I can upload different types of assets, different videos, episode, full length episodes and shorts for this particular episode. So the upload mechanism is also pretty simple. We'll go to that in a bit. Let me show you about how to search for episodes first. So at a time on this screen you will see only 3 of the most recent episodes. If you want to look at previous episodes that had been created some time back, which are not visible on the screen immediately, so you can go to search episode, select that particular date and time. Suppose I want to see an episode which was aired on December 1st at 5:30 p.m. So I will select this, and then I'll click on search episode over here. If that episode is present in the system, it will show up on the previous screen immediately. Okay, I don't think for this test instance I have data from that far back, so I'll just search one of these episodes which I already see and show you that. Okay, so the previous episode that I had created was for 9:30 p.m. so I'll just search for that. Okay, I didn't create one for 6th, I created one for 5th. Yeah, so I searched for 5th of February 9:30 and I got this output over here. Okay, so we have seen about episode creation. Let's now talk about uploading videos. To upload a video of a particular type, you just go to the tab of that type in the episode you want to upload it to. So for example, I want to upload a new video to this episode of the type VOD. So I'll highlight the VOD panel over here, and then I'll select the file which I want to upload. Okay, so at a time you can upload only one video, so it will upload. The upload is complete and it is currently in draft status. You can see that it doesn't have any title as yet, so we'll need to add that information. So we go here, we add the title, description. You can choose to add tags if you want. You can add some meta keywords as well, which are pushed to YouTube. You need to add a thumbnail over here as well. You can choose to save this information as draft. When you save as draft, whatever you've entered so far is saved, and later on you can come back to edit it. If you're done editing, you can move on to the next step, which is where you can upload this video to our public website, firstpost.com, as well as YouTube. So if we select both of these options, by default website will be created by default. You cannot change this. You can, however, choose or not choose to publish to YouTube. For our use case, we'll just publish to YouTube right now. So once I clicked on publish, the status of this video is in processing, and simultaneously it would have been pushed to YouTube as well. So both of these processes take some time, so we'll wait for this process to finish and then come back to it. Okay, similarly you can upload a full episode over here as well, and a short also. The process is identical. The type of the video doesn't matter much, apart from one difference, which is the size of the thumbnail. For short, you need to upload a thumbnail of this size, 720 into 1280. For VOD and full episode, the aspect ratio is reversed. That's it. Okay. Alright, once the transcoding process is complete, this status will be updated to published, and you'll be able to see this on the front facing website. Once the upload to YouTube is finished, you will be able to see a status over here in the social upload section as well. You can copy the embed code of the video from here. Just click on copy code. You can you can see some information, basic information about the episode. You can play it through the preview option. As an admin, you can delete or deactivate a video as well. So what delete does is that it will basically remove the episode from your system entirely. It will not be appearing on the video same as panel anymore. it will also remove that video from the public website. Deactivate does only one of these things. When you deactivate a video, that video will be pulled from the front facing website, but it will continue to show up over here. Okay. For example, this video, it is deactivated, so it will not be appearing on the public website. You can also not edit this. To edit this video, you will have to activate it once more. Okay. Let's now take a look at some of the options that are available to us on the videos page, which is right here. So here you can search for various videos by name. You can filter them by show name. You can filter them by type of video, their status, their date, and you can also see which videos have been published on website and which videos have been published on YouTube using these tabs. So on this tab you will see all the videos that have been published on website. On this tab you can see all the videos that have been published to YouTube. We have a button over here which is basically an entry point to the YouTube Creator Studio. When you click on it, it will take you to studio.youtube.com. And if you're logged in over there with your channel account, you'll access that page instantly and it will look something like this. Okay. Let's also take a look at the edit screen of the video. So okay, this was a draft video for which I had not entered any information. Let's try editing a video that has some information. Okay. So when you make some changes here, if the video is published, these changes will be pushed to our public website. However, the changes will not be pushed to YouTube. If you want to make changes to the data that has been already pushed to YouTube, you have to do so via the YouTube Creator Studio. Okay. Alright, the video which we had pushed to YouTube a short while back. So this was the video that we published. It has the icon, the description. By default, the visibility of the video will be private. When you are done editing the meta and other things on YouTube, then you should set this to public. This is the
North
same
Korea
video which we had uploaded. Okay. Alright, shorts will be appearing in this section. So right now we have tested using a dummy account, but before handing it over, we'll switch it over to the production account, and whatever videos you create from here, they will start being pushed into the production instance of FP channel. That's it for this videos. If there are any questions, feel free to reach out to me or Milan Rubaba, and we'll be happy to address. Thank you.